Okay, we're back in the shop here, and we're doing the top sheet of the ski delamination repair. And as I said before, maybe you've watched that first video, I'm using weldwood contact cement. I've given it 3 coats here, and as you can see, I use that bungee cord to hold it up. But what happened here was that this top sheet delaminated while I was skiing. I noticed that it's super thin. It's kind of like countertop almost. But what I've done is I've given it 3 coats of the weldwood contact cement. You have to let it dry about 20 minutes between coats. 3 coats is perfect. There's old kitty cat. And what you want to do is when you let it dry, you want to be able to touch it and it doesn't stick to your finger. Then you know it's dry. And that's how contact cement works. So you clean it with acetone first, or some good cleaner. I use acetone. And then you brush on contact cement, both surfaces. Let it dry 15-20 minutes per coat. This is 3 coats now, okay? And what I'm going to do now is I had it peeled up, as you can see, with the bungee cord and it's holding. And I have a contact, or basically a countertop roller. It's for contact cement and rolling countertop down. It's ready to get rolled down now. And so now I'm just going to drop her down. You can see it's stuck to my finger there. Push it down. And basically, we're just going to, here, let me show you here. We're just going to roll it with this. This is just like gluing countertops down. Almost identical. There's a little bit of over goop there. Let me get a rag here. A little bit of the over goop goes in the corner there. No big deal. It doesn't mean a nothing. And then you basically just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And by the time that's all glued down, I guarantee you are not going to peel that off. The reason the contact cement is so good for this top sheet is because it's pliable and it is good for, it will work for cold, hot, whatever. Like if you use a Gorilla Glue or an epoxy for this top sheet, it doesn't expand and contract well enough, in my opinion, in all the different temperature conditions. So the contact cement is actually the perfect thing to use. So basically you just keep rolling it down. And you can see it ooze out a little bit if there's, this pooled up a little in the corner right there, which is fine. It'll dry. This takes a while to dry. Let her dry 24 hours. They say 72 hours. But you know what? I'm going to be skiing on this baby tomorrow. I'm going to be skiing at Alpental. And it's going to be good. Good spring conditions. So there you go. My top sheet on my ski is totally fixed now. So if you have a top sheet that's delaminating, this is the perfect fix. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. So just let her dry, 65 degrees, 70 degree temperature. I've got the wood stove going here, so it's totally fine. Well, that's how you repair your delaminated top sheet on your ski or your snowboard. And if it's a little corner, I got a little bit of a corner right there that's still up. But you know what I'll do? At some point here, I'm just going to put a little tape over that to hold her down. Or I'll just keep working it. And you can see that the way I ski, I always carve the inside edges of my skis. I'm a big time carver. Anyway, that's how you do her. That's how you repair your top sheet on your ski or your snowboard. And it's a perfect repair. Absolutely perfect. Alright, thanks for watching.